Mary had a little lamb. Maybe you know this one. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Mary. Mary had a little lamb. His fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, that lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day. Yep, he followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. And boy, was he sorry he did. And so was Mary. Because for stubborn little lambs, it can be very scary. It rained and poured like cats and dogs. The little lamb was freezing. He got all wet, soaked to the bone. He shivered and was sneezing. Oh gosh, oh gee, oh silly me. Why did I have to roam? I wish I were all nice and dry in my warm and snuggly home. The wind blew hard, the rain was cruel, the lamb was sorry, very. Hooray, at last, he found the school. And best of all, found Mary. And Mary said, "Oh, my poor little lamb, you could catch a bad, bad cold. Did I tell you to stay home?" I said, "No, don't follow me. And look at all the bad things that happened to you. Promise you'll listen from now on." Our story ends.